Hello and welcome back to The Welsh Gardener, and today is a collaboration between me and another YouTube channel, Spencer's Nursery, to talk about how other YouTubers, gardening YouTubers, started out in gardening and also how they started out in YouTube about gardening. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please check out Spencer's channel down below, and yeah, just enjoy the video. So I started off gardening when I was younger, from about the age where ever since I was born, because my family's into gardening and I was always out in the garden with them. And then I sort of but didn't do as much for a little bit. And then I got back into it last year when I started my YouTube channel, after I got inspired by Hugh Richards from Hugh's Nursery, who will also be linked there or up here. And so I went to Hugh's Nursery's first vegetable growing course April 2018, and then it all sort of escalated from there, and now I am where I am. So I'm hoping in the future to run vegetable gardening courses and to be a TV presenter in gardening, just to try and spread on my passion and my knowledge of gardening onto the younger generation. The reason I enjoy gardening so much is because I always say this, but it is the reason. It's because I like how a small little seed can turn into loads and loads of food. So it starts off as something really, really small, and then it mixes with the soil and the water and everything comes together, and it turns into some food that you can eat that's virtually free or very, very cheap. And then why I do YouTube is, as I said earlier, because I want to get more, especially young people, I want to get more young people outside, getting their hands dirty, gardening and just stuff like that, because I don't like how many young people are stuck in front of their screens and stuck in front of games all the time now. So I want more people to be getting out in the fresh air and just trying new things out like that, even if it's not gardening. So what inspires me and motivates me, like day in day out from this, to keep going with gardening and YouTube, is probably when I get messages or comments from people, because I'm starting to get things like this now, where people have been showing their children or their grandchildren these videos on my YouTube channel, and they're starting to get inspired and the children want to start gardening, or it gets them more excited about being outdoors. So I'm like yesterday, I ran a course with Hugh's Nursery for some children, and I just like seeing their face light up when they're gardening and they get inspired. So that's what I've got to say for my video for this collaboration. So if you want to join in, if you have a gardening or outdoors YouTube channel, or you do gardening and you have a YouTube channel, you can join in by saying, having a title, the same title as what me and Spencer have titled our videos, and then we'll share them into a playlist and we'll promote them as much as we can, so we can try and help each other grow our sort of channels and community. So if you want to join in, then you can tell me or Spencer, and we can put it in the playlist, or you can put it in the playlist for yourself through the hashtag and everything. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching. I'll hope to see you next time.